Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you bun hairstyles for the age of women of over 50s. Women over 50 oftentimes fall into the trap of thinking there aren't any stylish updo hairstyles for their age group. On the contrary, there are numerous amazing updos for women over 50 with long hair. Whether it's a wedding you are attending or just a night out with friends or family, with your best friends, elder age, doesn't mean you can't still have your gorgeous hairstyle. When choosing the right updo hairstyle for yourself, consider how much time you are willing to put in. The looks we have pulled together are a mixture of low and high hair skills. Some of them you can pull together in minutes and others may need a little more time. One thing is for sure, all of the below updo hairstyles for women over 50 are guaranteed. Guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any idea for these perfect and cute hair buns. And if you like this hairstyle, take a screenshot of the look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get it from any parlor or you can do it by your own. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you like my videos. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and get the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more information